One of the things or one of the advantages of becoming a Builderall affiliate marketer is that you get, resources. And I'm talking about like a lot of resources. This is something that you don't get on all affiliates. I mean, on ClickBank is fine, you still get like email swipe ups, but then you find that maybe you find only two, right? And maybe next month you don't know how to sell that product. With Builderall there are a lot of banners you can use to promote. Like, I'm talking about a lot of them. I mean, some of them I haven't used them yet, but I'm promoting Builderall like almost every day with new image, new copy, and all of that. I get them from here, right? Here on Builderall graphics resources. They also have email swipes apps, right? I mean, email swipe file. It is here, and there's a lot of them. This is just the beginning. There's a lot of this. They've got videos. They've got, here they have demo final video. They've got presentation. Builderall is so professional. I mean, look at this resources. They've got Black Friday promo. They've got 2020, right now it's 2021. They've got New Year email list. So there's just a lot of resources. I mean, so even if when you are promoting Builderall, you don't have to scratch your head as to what to tell your audience, how to tell your audience, how to convince them. Everything that you need is here. All the banners are here. If you decide to run a paid campaign, they've got videos. If you wanna run YouTube campaigns, they've got email swipes ups. So they've got a lot of resources to help you promote them. Because look, when you succeed, they succeed, and you earn money, they get money. It's a win-win situation. So this is one of the best platforms that one can promote, because they've got a lot of resources, and you can start promoting Builderall for free by signing up as a Builderall affiliate for free using the link in my description. Signing up as a Builderall, promoting Builderall, it is free, and you can start today, right? Make sure that you click the link in my description to get started. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep safe.